All that stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a
So we just pulled up to the mall, y'all. We about to slide up in this thing, go check out Shoe Palace, try to get this ticket, see what they talking about with this raffle. I might have to slide to North Star, I might have to slide to South Park, and I might, no, not South Park, the other standalone on the south side. So we're gonna see where this go, where this take us, man, but we're gonna go try to get these tickets for this doggone Gina raffle. Well, we got 2 tickets so far, y'all. Now it's time to go grab another one. Right here, Shoe Palace, man, over here on the south side of San Antonio. If y'all don't remember, this is the Shoe Palace that had the grand opening, and I was able to get those Taxi 12s.
It's gotta be a tag team production.
Chef Boy cooking.
Yeah, these pretty dope right here. I like how they did the little netting on the top.
For the floor.
Don't miss Six Flags Memorial Weekend Sale for 1 week.
So we talked about this shoe a little bit earlier on this week. Well, actually last week towards the end. And I really wanted to pick up this Air Jordan Retro 1 SP Gina because of really what it stands for, y'all. Now, I'm gonna throw the picture up so you guys can see what shoe I'm going after, because I know a lot of people are probably like, man, Retro, what shoe is this that you're going to get these tickets for? But it released this past Saturday, and it's releasing in store this Saturday at our local Shoe Palaces. So I've only been able to hit 3 of them so far. Tomorrow when I get off work, I plan to hit up the rest of them and try to get my tickets secured, because I really want to enter this raffle, and I got my fingers crossed on trying to get these. Now, if you guys didn't know a little bit of backstory, Gina, she works at an elementary school in San Jose, California, Santee Elementary School. I hope I pronounced that right. And she came up from a poor upbringing, and she wanted to be a school teacher. She became a school teacher. She talks about in her small documentary about how, you know, she always sat in the front of the class and everything, and she just wanted to be different. She was different. Now, knowing that how today's generation is and how the upbringing of children and just how it's easy to fall into a trap, it's easy to have children stray away from wanting to go to school and different things like that. And I really like what she stands for giving back to the community, helping out the less fortunate, tutoring, all different things of this nature. And then the positive thing is just, I won't even say positive, the plus is that she likes Jordans. And sneakers have a way of connecting with people. And I mean, that's how I look at anything in the sneaker culture, is about how you connect with different people and learning from what they feel, their aspects on sneakers and your aspects on sneakers. You might give somebody a different way of thinking about sneakers because of something that you think about sneakers. So it is very dope that she was able to team up with Shoe Palace and she was able to make this shoe with Jordan Brand. Now, the shoe is stupid fuego to me, and it's one of those sneakers that I didn't hear too many people talking about, y'all. Now, when I saw the shoe off rip, y'all, I really wanted the shoe. You guys know I'm a Retro 1 collector. Box presentation, it really is a box. It's a lunch box, but a shoe box. So very dope. The colorway is very unique. It has different shades of black with the red bottom and kind of the glitter all over it. Comes with a dope hang tag, which is an apple. And I just think that this shoe right here, this might, to me, in my opinion, this might be one of the most slept on collabs this year, because I haven't heard anybody really, you know, talking it up or anything. But to me, this probably is going to go down to one of the best collabs I feel like this year, just because of what it stands for and what she's done for the community. And I mean, it kind of makes you think like anything is possible, because, you know, for her to be just an average school teacher and Jordan Brand give her a sneaker collab, of her own. And you know, because she shops at Shoe Palace, she loves Shoe Palace, family oriented, you know, Shoe Palace is family owned business and everything, and they like giving back to the community too. So it is a dope collab to me, y'all. So I'm trying to get it. Fingers crossed. I got a couple people I've been asking to go up to the malls with me and the different shoe palaces to help me enter to try to get this shoe. I really hope I can try to get it. If not, this does seem like one of those shoes that I honestly, y'all, I'd have to put the SB Lakers on hold. I'd have to put a lot of shoes on hold that I would want to cop, and I have to pay to resell on this shoe because I think that the shoe tells a great story and it's a great inspiration. And I mean, like I said, sneakers can connect with people in ways that you wouldn't imagine. And for a young child to see their teacher, because you know, when we all know, man, when we was in elementary school, middle school, and high school, you had the teacher that, you know, you had the teacher that you hated, the teacher that looked good, the teacher that could dress, the teacher, you know, you had all the different type of teachers, and she just seems like a very dope teacher and a great inspiration to the children coming up in her area. And I mean, this is like a huge impact to me that I feel like she put in the sneaker culture for doing this. I mean, how many school teachers you know that got a sneaker, and at that, a Jordan? Like, come on, how many do y'all know? I can't think of that many. I can't think of one but her. But I think that this is very dope, so that is why I'm going after this shoe. Comment down below and let me know if you guys were able to pick this shoe up when it released online on Shoe Palace this past weekend. If you did, tell me how you guys feel about it. I think, like I said, very, very dope shoe, and I'm got my fingers crossed that I hit on this one. And I have a very small chance of winning this shoe, to be honest, y'all. I have a very small chance. I had a better chance of getting the Travis Scotts than I did this. And I mean, I hit on the Travis Scotts. No, you know, not trying to sound crazy, but I had this one. It's not as many shoes as we think it is that are dropping in the city. And I know for a fact how many, amongst one big city and this city, there's 100 shoes. So it's slim chances, y'all, but I'm hoping that I hit on these because, you know, a lot of people think that a lot of people didn't even know they were dropping in store this week. But hey, they're dropping where I'm at in store this week, so I'm really trying to get my hands on these. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Nothing really big, just a little informative video, just chopping it up with y'all, letting y'all know how I feel about these sneakers and why I'm going after them. And if you guys did pick them up, like I said, comment it down below. It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Y'all already know where to find me on all my social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Hey, I love y'all. We on the race to 10K. The grind don't stop. And I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Yeah!